Hi guys, Faby here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create my go-to eyes and lip combo which I'm loving. So let's get started. So this is the look I'm going to create. I just love it. I feel it's glam yet wearable. Yup, let's jump right into the tutorial. So first I'm going to use NovaBeauty Bronze palette. I just love this palette. It has so many colors for everyday use. And then I'm going to use NovaBeauty brushes. First I'm taking the lightest shade from the palette and applying it all over my lid. This is going to be my base shade. I want to keep it very neutral, so I think this is perfect. And next I'm taking the darker shade from the palette, going to draw wings with the eyeshadow, and then I am going to smudge the line. I don't usually like to wear eyeliners, so this is the perfect way to get those winged line but without using an opaque shade. So eyeshadow just looks the best on me. And my right eye is kind of hooded, so matching those wings like with a liquid liner is a task. But I do like liquid liners. It's just that I need time when I'm doing my wings. So yep, as you guys can see, I'm smudging the line very nicely, giving that gradient effect to the eyes. So now I'm taking this champagne shade from the palette and mixing it with the other darker shade and applying it onto the inner corners of my eyes. For the brow bones, I'm again taking the champagne shade and applying it onto the highest point of my eyes. Almost done with the eyeshadows. Now it's time to curl the lashes. I love to curl my lashes, and today I'm going to add on lashes on top of my mascara. So for that I am going to use Luxe lashes in number 10. I really love these lashes. First I'm just putting them on to see the length and I'll cut it accordingly. And then finally applying the glue and let it sit for at least 30 seconds and then applying it onto my eyes. This is the trick if you want your lashes to fit perfectly onto your lash line. I always prefer sticking the outer corner first and then the inner part. Yeah, I'll repeat the same onto the other eye, and yes, we are done. I love these lashes. As you guys can see, they look so pretty. Adding mascara onto my lower lashes, I never skip this part because I feel my eyes look kind of empty if I don't apply the lashes. And next I'm going to apply lip liner. I'm using again NovaBeauty lip liner in shade Pink Nude 02. I love how it glides onto my lips. It's so creamy. So it has a brush attached to the pencil, so I'm going to smudge my lip line, as you guys can see, and then on top I'm going to apply the gloss. And for the lip gloss, again I'm going to use NovaBeauty in shade T. I love this lip gloss. This is so pretty and it has those tiny sparkly glitters which adds extra shine to my lips. So yep, we are almost done. I'm just finishing off with some blush, and this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the tutorial. Do let me know if you guys want me to create something. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.